Hi, welcome back. In this tutorial video, we will learn about two different functions. First is how to treat null, how to work with null values. If we wanted to put some condition with null, then how can we use it? The second is in. What is the use of in and how it works? So to use this null, we will use our table department. So we will run this function select from department. In this example, we see there are null values. So whenever there is a null value, we can use two different things to filter this data. We will use where, then I have manager ID. Either I can use is null. If I will use is null, it will give all null values which is available. Or I can use is not null. In this condition, the null values will get removed. Only the value where the value is available, we will that will reflect. It is a very good example, and we have to use this function in our day-to-day basis life, because in organizations there are multiple columns which has null values and we practically do not require, and in even some analysis we need this null value only. So to treat them, this null will work. Now let us take our second item, which is in. How in is being used. To use in, we will run our table employees first. So this is the table. In basically uh, gives us gives us filter data. So in this example, we will use job ID, and then we'll use in. Now what happened with in? If I will put some values in the bracket, that that values only will be filtered. So let us suppose I wanted to filter these two values. So if I will run this, it gives me just two columns which has job ID, mkman, mkrep. Now let us put some more values here, like we did it IT Pro. So now if I use the third value as a IT Pro, it will just fetch three different values, all rows against three different values. In the reverse, we can use not in also. Not in is the reverse of in. It will give us values except the mentioned values, like mkman, mkrep, IT Pro. Run this. Now try to find IT Pro, and there's no IT Pro. That's all. So In this example, we learn about two different functions: how to treat null, how to exclude null, how to include null value only. And the second, in function, where in we are putting few values and only those value records against those value will get fetched. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video.